Hi, I'm Phil Yandolino, founding chef for Brio Restaurant Group. Today we're going to do one of the most popular dishes on the menu is the Pasta Alla Vodka. This dish is absolutely awesome. Fresh pasta first, it's stuffed with fontina cheese and ricotta cheese. The easiest way to tell if these, or when these are done, is when they float to the top. It can't get any easier than that. The next thing we're going to do, which is extremely important, is we're going to add vodka. We don't want to add vodka right here when it's on the flame because you could blow yourself up. We're going to bring it over here and plate it up. Bada bing, bada boom. There you have it, Pasta Alla Vodka. The three important things we learned today is to cook your pasta in order because it's a fresh pasta. When they float, they're done. Add your chili flake to your olive oil, let it saute, and get even heat throughout the dish. Third thing is, I don't want to blow yourself up. So, you want to do is remove the pan from the heat, add your vodka, and make sure you add your ingredients after the flame is gone. Again, this is Chef Phil. See you next time.